Hi, today I'll be talking about some of the technology that benefits nearly everyone in the U.S. and some of the negative consequences of how we use it. Technology betters our life in many ways. It saves us time. It makes life more comfortable. It does work for us, but to build these things we have to take limited resources from our planet, and the way we're using them is often wasteful and making a mess. Are we taking the benefits of technology for granted? A lot of the materials we use to build anything take thousands of years to replenish, so if we use them all up, there won't be more until long after our lifetime. We can make them last a lot longer if we use them again for something else later, rather than disposing of them after one use. As you can see on the table, there's a lot of material that doesn't get recycled. In fact, only about a quarter of our waste gets recycled. Here are the other methods of waste management. Most of our materials get buried in landfills, which prevents them from being used again. In addition to being wasteful, landfills leach chemicals into the surrounding soil and water, and they produce methane from decomposing materials, which is dangerously flammable and contributes to global warming. We can get more use out of materials if we recycle them. Composting is similar because it breaks down old food and plants into nutrients to help grow more. Waste-to-energy plants are a slightly better alternative to landfills. They burn the trash, which pollutes the air like landfills do, but electricity is produced, so at least the trash serves one final purpose. Gyres are meant to be known simply as the circular ocean currents, but they've also become widely known for their massive amounts of floating trash, which is mainly plastic. Plastic waste is known to harm wildlife. If we just recycle it, it won't make it to the ocean where it doesn't belong. Our cars and some heaters need fuel to run, which is a limited resource, and the burning fuel pollutes the air. Water pollution is also possible if chemicals leak from the car, which they often do. Sometimes our technology is dangerous not only to our ecosystem, but to our lives. There are thousands of fatal car accidents every year. The number is going down, but it's still a lot. Carbon monoxide contributes to global warming since it's a greenhouse gas, but what makes it dangerous is that it cannot be seen or smelled, which makes it very easy to go unnoticed. This causes hundreds of accidental deaths per year. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has some safety tips for preventing carbon monoxide in your home on their website. Some of the resources we use for our technology gets recycled or reused somehow, but it's not enough if we want our resources to last us as long as possible. Currently, we're enjoying our technology carelessly and not thinking enough about the future. To use technology responsibly, we have to use what we have sparingly, reuse what we can, clean up the mess we make, and also do it safely. Technology can hurt or help the world depending on how we use it.